Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss all questions of chapter 1 from class 9th mathematics Ganita Manjari, explaining each solution in very simple and easy to understand way. Let's begin with exercise 1.1. So in this exercise, an image has been given followed by few questions. Let's break them one by one. First question, if D1R1 represents the door to Rian's room, how far is the door from the left wall of the room? How far is the door from x-axis? So this is point D1R1 on this image. So we have to find the distance of this door from y-axis as well as x-axis. So to answer first part, distance of door from y-axis, this is equals to, so see, point D1 is at 8 comma 0, right? So distance of door from y-axis is 8 unit. And to answer second part, distance of door from x-axis, this will be, yes, 0 unit. Why? Because point D1 lies on x-axis. Okay, so now moving to second question, it says, what are the coordinates of D1? So what are coordinates of any point? Distance of that point from y-axis, comma, distance of that point from x-axis. So this is the same thing we have done in previous question. So coordinates of D1 equals to, its distance from y-axis was 8 and distance from x-axis was 0. So 8 comma 0. Cool. Now moving to the third question, it says if R1 is the point 11.5 comma 0, how wide is the door? So to find the width of the door, this is D1 and R1. R1 is at 11.5 comma 0, D1 is at 8 comma 0. So to find the width of this door, we have to basically find the distance between point D1 and R1, which is nothing but 11.5 minus 8. Let me write it down. The width of door equals to 11.5 minus 8, which is nothing but 3.5 units. Moving to second part, do you think this is a comfortable width for the room door? To answer this question, let's compare this width with any other object in this image. Let's compare with this bed. Okay, the width of this bed is 5 and 8, which is 3 units. Okay, and we have found the width of door as 3.5 units. So of course the width of this room door is wider than the single bed. So of course this is a comfortable width for room door. Yes, this is a comfortable width for room door. Now moving to third part, if a person in a wheelchair wants to enter the room, will she be able to do so easily? Of course, if the width of the door is wider than the width of a single bed, of course then wheelchair can also enter the room easily, right? Wheelchair is not wider than the width of a single bed. Yes, wheelchair can enter the room easily. Great. Now moving to the last question of this exercise, it says if B1 0, 1.5 and B2 0, 4 represents the ends of the bathroom door, is the bathroom door narrower or wider than the room door? Okay, first let's find the width of this bathroom door. So it is starting and ending points are given 0, 1.5 and 0, 4. So width of bathroom door equals to distance between B1 and B2, which is 4 minus 1.5, which will be 2.5 units. Great. And what was the width of room door? It was 3.5 units. So it is asking, is the bathroom door narrower or wider than the room door? So of course 2.5 is less than 3.5. So bathroom door is narrower than room door. So with this we have finished exercise 1.1.